Been very busy having Melissa McCarthy's collection here at HSN. Yes, you can find it in the finest department store, but they don't have flex pay.
They do not have flex pay.
Only here at HSN, and of course the jeans. Big customer pick, one of our top 10 favorite items of the day. Not $110 like they always are, or in department stores. Today we have it at $89. So just choose the Guardian, which is black on black. So what I mean by that is it's actual black denim with the black threads. Or we have the Riley, that's our deepest indigo with the gold contrast. Then we also have there the Giza, and now that's more of our mid-tone denim shade. So it's got a little bit of whitewash to it, and then the Comet, which is the softest, almost brush velvet. And we have those all sizes, 2 through 28 women's on that, and 2 inseam. So it's $89. Huge value on that, and it's $22.25 for you to go ahead and get home. And of course, you can shop Melissa's entire collection right now on HSN.com. There's more tops, there's more ties, there's more jumpsuits.
Always jumpsuits.
Kimonos. So make sure you stop by HSN.com and see everything. There's the shirt that I'm wearing. We started the hour off with the shirt. Even there's a couple other blouses that are there. So beautiful collection, all brand new.
I love that. I wear that shirt with those, like the cobalt blue jeans.
Ooh, cute.
It's so cute. It literally just looks so happy and poppy.
This is like wearing nothing. All of your clothes are so light and the fit is so good.
I really, we spend a lot of time on it. I am nuts for it.
Oh, they're beautiful. And of course, so many of you are getting social with us. Thank you. And you can join that conversation. And that's at #McCarthy on HSN. So here's Jennifer Farr. Thank you for joining us. She said, your slim boot cut jeans are the best I've ever owned.
Oh,
thank you for all your fab clothes and your strong female characters.
Oh, thank you, Jennifer.
It's very sweet.
Thank you for that.
Here's another one from Miss Brittany. She said, nothing but comfort, quality, and closet staples in this line. Melissa really knows what she's doing. So thank you again for all of those great comments. But share your pictures, share your tweets.
I love seeing the pictures.
Yes, share us what you look like in the clothes, in the beautiful pants that we were just airing, in the denim. So you can do that at #McCarthy on HSN. Okay,